Rachel here, and today I'm going to be sprucing up my couch. I have these pillows that you can see they look a little bit sad. I've owned them for 3 years now, and so I got 2 sets of 24 by 24 pillows, the inserts, and then I got 2 sets of pillow cases, and so I wanted to go ahead and open them up and then also do a comparison. So let's start with the Utopia pillow inserts. They come vacuum sealed in this bag. In comparison to Lane Linen, where this is truly vacuum sealed, they rolled it into like these tight balls, I guess you could say. I don't know. They like rolled it really flat and really sucked out all the air. So this is also vacuum sealed, and they like put saran wrap around it to get it even tighter. So I'm curious to see how these expand after I've removed all the plastic wrapping. So let's get started. I'll start with the Utopia first. From the way that it's packaged, it already looks a little bit fluffier. They didn't vacuum seal it quite as tight as Lane Linen vacuum sealed theirs. Got to be careful opening these. They're sealed so tightly. I don't want to cut my new pillows. So once you get the Utopia pillowcases out of that main packaging, you can see the 2 pillow inserts, and they are also individually packaged. So if there was any damage or any rain, it's good because they're packaged twice. They're wrapped, they have 2 layers of the packaging around it. So let me go ahead and get these open. You can see this is also vacuum sealed. Okay, first Utopia pillow out of its case. And second set of Utopia pillows out of their case. So as you can see, they're a little bit flat right now. They probably need some time to expand. Let's move on to opening up the Lane Linen pillow inserts. Okay, so that was interesting. The Lane Linen, the outside isn't actually a bag or anything. It's just a bunch of saran wrap. And then each pillowcase is sealed, vacuum sealed individually. So not as nicely packaged as the Utopia pillowcases, but still pretty protected. Okay, first pillowcase out. And surprisingly, it's already expanding pretty quickly. This is a lot fluffier than I thought it'd be for how tightly it was vacuum sealed. Okay, so here are the 2 sets of pillowcases. On this side, this is Lane Linen. And on this side is the Utopia pillowcases. So far, they've only been expanding like a couple of minutes. I gave them a little bit of a shake to fluff them up. The first things that I notice is like Lane Linen is fluffier, but the shape of the pillow is a little bit all over the place. Like the fluffing inside, it looks like bumpy. Whereas Lane Linen doesn't seem as fluffy to me, but I like the nice smooth shape that it has. So I'm actually leaning towards Lane Linen right now. But let me go ahead and open up the pillowcases that I got. And then let's see how my opinion changes from there. Maybe once the cases are on, I'll feel differently. So for these sets of pillowcases, I got the brand Mernette, and there's a set of 2 in here. Oh, and also, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but everything is 24 by 24, the sizes that I have. But all of these come in a variety of sizes as well as colors. So then this color right here is the striped gray blue. This is really easy to open. Here is what one pillowcase looks like. And then you can see there's a zipper here on the side. So easy to open and close. And these are really cute. I like it. They're very soft. I like the texture to them. And I think they're really cute. This is the brand Decor You Home. This one came vacuum sealed very tightly as well. The brand Mernette that I just opened, this one wasn't so vacuum sealed. So this one is a little bit trickier to open. They've taped it. Nothing my scissors can't solve. Okay, and this is 24 by 24. You can see it has this like diamond pattern shape, and there's like this really soft faux fur that makes the shape. This is the front of the pillow, and this is the back of the pillow. The design isn't on the back, but the back is really soft. It's still a nice material. And then same thing, there's a zipper on the side, so it's easy to get the pillow inserts in and out. I am going to put one of each so that we can get even comparisons of both of the brands of pillow inserts. Okay, so let's do side-by-side comparisons of both sets of pillows. So on this side, I have Utopia. And on this side, I have Lane Linen. So here is the Utopia pillow with the Decor You Home pillowcases. I think this looks super cute, and it fills out the shape of the pillow really well. It looks nice and fluffy. The Lane Linen, it looks really cute as well, but it looks kind of empty and like there's like leftover fabric. It's not as fluffy as the Utopia inserts. So I don't know if it needs to keep expanding, but just off the bat, my mind has changed. I prefer the Utopia. As you can see on this side, it looks like there's so much empty space on the pillow. It like is wrinkling up because there's all this extra fabric. So I would say the Utopia pillow insert is the winner. And regarding the pillowcases, I love them. I think they're so cute. So now let's look at the other set, the Mernettes. So this is the Mernette pillowcase. It's super soft. I love it. Same thing, this is the Utopia insert. It fills the shape of the pillowcase really well. And then this right here is the Lane Linen insert. It looks kind of flat, if you can see the difference. This is Utopia, this is Lane Linen. Look how much bigger and fluffier this one is in comparison to this one. This one looks like I've been sitting on it. So same comment, I'm not sure if it just needs to expand more, but right off the bat, the Utopia pillowcase is or pillow insert is much fluffier, and it makes this pillowcase, the Mernette pillowcase, look really good. I really love the pillowcase. On this side it looks a little bit sad, a little bit droopy. Pillowcase is still cute, insert is not so nice. So at my side-by-side comparisons, I would definitely pick Utopia personally. I think it came packaged very nicely. I think it fills up the pillow inserts very nicely, and this will definitely add some pizzazz to my couch in my home. So hope you liked my side-by-side comparison and that you found it helpful. Thank you. Bye.